see my school. Great. I'm going to show an experiment called changing the color in the water. Materials required: glass, water, turmeric powder, lemon and soap powder. Let's start the experiment. First you should add turmeric powder. Then you should pour water. Then you should start mixing. Then you should add some soap powder. Then you should start mixing. Now you can see the color changed into red. Now I'm going to show magic. It's going to change again into yellow. Now see, magic being happen. See, now before it's red color, now it's yellow color. This is why, because the lemon contains acid. Thank you, friends.